Hello friends, hope doing good. I'm back after a long time. Today I'll show you how you can backup. How you can take backup your WordPress website. Alright, so if you want to backup, then you should go to dashboard. You should log in. This is your WordPress dashboard panel. So I take backup with plugin, but we can make a backup several method. But today I'll show you how you can take backup with WordPress plugin. So next time I will show you how you can take backup with Pinwali. All right. So if you want to take backup, so you should go to plugins, then add new plugins. Then you can search all in one. This is the easy way and easy method. So I'll just install all-in-all WordPress migration and backups. All right. It will take little bit time for install plugin. Yeah, done. Now we need to active. Okay, that's good. Now need to go all option. Then you should just click on export. All right. So we can take more options like FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive. But if you want to use this feature, you should go premium. This is the premium feature. So I will use just free version. Then I just click on files. It will take time for preparing all files. It's done. You should take maybe long time if according to your files, your website. My website is the dummy. There is not too much content. That's why it will take short time. All right. Yes, done. Close. This is my backup file. All right. So now if I want to restore this website, then I go backups. I can take restore from here, but if you want to live on another website, then you can go import options, then drop your file, backup files, then you can take restore. That's it. It's the easy way. Let me know if you have any problem, then I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.